what to do when Satan is putting bad thoughts in mind and how to prevent it. When Satan whispers and does waswasa, as the Quran says, you have to say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Say, I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the accursed. You can recite the last two kuls, which are the Mu'awwidhatayn, Surah Falaq and Surah Nas. You can recite the Quran, and when this thought comes, you seek refuge in Allah and go away from this thought. Don't ponder over them. If you ponder, then the chances you deviate. So when this thought comes, just say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and you can read the Quran, or you can pray, you can offer salah, whether it be the fard or the sunnah salah. This will help you to take your mind off.
We're not allowed to spy in Islam. Do you know one of the reasons? If you were to spy on each one of us, we would lose hope in humanity. We're sinful human beings. You spy on me, you may find things that I might be embarrassed. Okay, everyone's on a different level. Some are really major and some are not so major, but it's still embarrassing. If we were to spy on each other and we were to announce it all over the world, we would lose respect for everybody. But Allah says, you know what? We're going to keep. That's why we say to Allah, Ya man dhahara al-jamila wa satar al-qabih. O you who has made apparent that which is nice, beautiful, and you've covered that which is evil and embarrassing. You've covered it. It's part of the qualities of Allah. He's merciful. That's His mercy. He covered your sin. He covered mine. Because He wants humanity to have faith in humanity once again. But the reality is, when we spy on someone and we find something out, they may have already sought forgiveness of Allah and come out of it, and we will still be just finding that thing out and start exposing it in a way that we don't realize the guy who's here is the best possible person at this particular point in his life, but I'm taking him back to something that happened in the past because I just found it out now.